sister work in oil company?
Yeah.
What company?
I don't know, but I know it.
They big money for the oil.
Yeah, she make more than $30 for 1 hour.
Maybe more
For that
than.
reason, she don't want.
Yeah. Maybe more than that now.
Yeah. Good. They're very happy there.
You know that, my son. I know.
All right, here we go. Let's try another one. Let's try 7 minus 3. 4.
Okay, it's really good. Can we slow the bird down a little bit?
Okay. Okay. Let's try a tougher problem. Let's try 12 divided by 3. 4. All the world. Here he comes. The barn owl, one of the most abundant species of owl in all the world. These birds are found in every single continent but Antarctica.
Why not there?
It's probably way too cold there. Not a whole lot of food. All right. Are you ready? Here he goes. Whoa! Nicely done. Over here, what else then? Okay, turn around and see if you can get a photo. He doesn't leave right away, but he is a quick exit bird. There it is. Oh, look at that beautiful facial disc. You see? It's shaped like a heart, so they're also known as the sweetheart owl. Put a great big hamburger, great volunteer. There he is! John, this is baby Webster. He's a baby black vulture.
A vulture? Yeah, tell me it's gonna be a vulture.
Come on, are you afraid of vultures too? You know what they eat.
Yeah, they eat tour guides.
No, they eat carrion. You know what that is?
That's lucky. Bring on an airplane. I don't know that.
That's carry on. No, carrion. Lots of animals that die in the wild. See, an animal dies and the vulture comes along and they eat it up. They stop the spread of disease. Nothing in nature is ever wasted. So that makes vultures one of nature's recycling.
I recycle.
You recycle?
All hamburgers do.
Well, see, I am proud of you, Bono Joe. If more of us remember to recycle every day, this earth would be a much cleaner place. Okay, you got all your goodies. You are awesome. We'll see you later. Very nice. Now, Orion is called a harris hawk, and birds like Orion are found in the southwestern parts of the United States. And these birds are very important to us because they eat a lot of rodents. They eat mice and rats, and just like the owl, they help control rodent populations the natural way. Now, Orion here is about 7 years old, and that's doing very, very well. It's doing very well for a bird like him in the wild. You see, about 75% of all birds of prey hatched out there don't make it through their first year of life.
Why?
A lot of it has to do with natural causes, but a lot of it still has to do with gunshot wounds.
I thought it was illegal to shoot a bird of prey.
It is illegal, Joe, but it's also unfortunate people still shoot these birds because they really play a very important role in that whole circle of life. All righty, here's Miranda, and here he comes. Where's he going? He's ready. All right, I think he got confused because he saw 2 red shirts back there. Yes, ma'am. Let's try it again. Are you ready, Miranda? Maybe get up a little bit higher. There you go. He's coming here, Joy. All right. So we ready? Let's see if I can get him one more time. Let's see if we can get him over here. You want to come back? Come on. Okay, Miranda, I'll fly him off my glove. Right to you. It's all good. You see Miranda back there? She's the one you want. She's got your goodies. Are you ready? Good job. Wow. Yes, nicely done.
Fraser.
Fraser Crane. Oh, so good. Hey, Joe.
What?
Help me feed. Come on.
No, I'll watch your
Come
feet. No,
on,
he's
come on.
big.
Help me watch over feed Fraser.
All right, I'll try. What do I do?
Put your hands out the ball.
Like this?
Oh, here. Just let me right out here. How's that?
Oh, look at that. I'm feeding a bird.
Look at you.
I would love to see this guy out in the wilds of Africa, running around with his buddies. That would be
It
something.
really is. It's a beautiful sight. But you know what, Joe? Beautiful birds like the crown crane, they really struggle in Africa.
Why?
Because it's like pollution, habitat loss, poisoning, and you know, even poaching of these.
Cleaning up the environment.
That's right, Joe. And something as simple as cleaning up our environment had such an impact on the numbers of the bald eagle that the bald eagle was taken off the endangered species.
We're going up. Wow, the current of the water. Bob. Wow, that's wow. I like it. Come on now. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Almost over.
No, it's over. Can't see that.
Wow, this is great.
That was cool, wasn't it? No, it wasn't cool. Look at it. It served its purpose. I thought that was whoa!
Bah. Aww. It's hard to see his face. Yeah, this one.